are you ready for math? I want you to go get your math book and a pencil and some crayons. So remember, our math book is this one. Okay, stop the video if you need to. You are going to look in your math book and you're going to look at the next page. Yesterday we did the pages right before this one. This is page 263. You're seeing some pictures of a shelf, and there are things on the shelf. So remember, we're talking about cubes and cylinders, and what other shapes do you see up there? I see a sphere. So let's look at the directions. You're going to write your name at the top, and remember, you don't need to take your page out of your book. Mrs. Hoffman just took it out so that you can see it. So let's look at number 1. It says, circle the objects shaped like cubes on the top shelf. So here is the top shelf. Here are some Kleenexes, a pencil, and a Jack-in-the-Box. So which one of those objects are shaped like a cube? Is a pencil shaped like a cube? No. Is the Jack-in-the-Box shaped like a cube? Yes, the bottom part of the box is. So we're going to put a circle around that. And is the Kleenex box shaped like a cube? It is. So we circled 2 things on the top shelf. Circle the objects that are shaped like cylinders on the middle shelf. Here's the middle shelf. Looks like there is a block, and this looks like a kaleidoscope, something that you look inside and you see different things. And this is a book. Which one of these is shaped like cylinders? I'm going to just put my paper down. You circle the cylinders, and let's see if you circle the same ones that I did. Did you circle the block and the kaleidoscope? Good. Let's look at the directions for the bottom shelf. Circle the objects shaped like spheres on the bottom shelf. Here's the bottom shelf. I'm going to let you circle the ones that are shaped like spheres. Let's see if you circled the ones that I did. There's a ball and an orange. Those are shaped like spheres. Now, on the back, you are going to need a green crayon, a red crayon, a yellow crayon, and a blue crayon. So, what shape is this called? This is a cube. This is a cylinder. This is a cone, and this is a sphere. You're going to take your green crayon and you're going to color all the cubes green. You're going to take your red crayon and color the cylinders red. Yellow crayon and color the cones yellow. Blue crayon and color the spheres blue. Remember how we talked about an artist has to draw dotted lines to show that these shapes are not flat. There are no flat shapes right here. These are all 3-dimensional shapes. So color the shapes the correct color. If you want to stretch your brain, get your Play-Doh out. And I want you to make all of these shapes with your Play-Doh. Work hard today. Thanks, friends.